Hello to our loyal channel followers. Today we're back with another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to easily and quickly remove pimples and freckles from the face using Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial, I used two images, one of a face and another of a body. Let's see how to do this. First, as you can see, we open both images in Photoshop. In this tutorial, we will manually remove all pimples and freckles using only one tool. Keep in mind, since the process is manual, it requires attention and time. The tool we use in this tutorial is the Spot Healing Brush tool. First, select the tool. Then zoom in on the spots with freckles using the zoom tool. You can also use the Alt key plus mouse scroll wheel for zooming. Adjust the tool size according to the size of the freckles by right-clicking on the screen and setting the size. Alternatively, you can hold Alt plus right-click and drag the mouse left or right to resize the tool. Now we start editing the freckles until we reach the desired result. As you can see, the freckles and pimples are removed without damaging the skin texture, leaving the face smooth and clean. Now let's move on to the second image. The method here is the same, so we start retouching the skin again. As you can see, the skin looks clean and its texture is intact. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials, visit our channel. Also, if you haven't followed us yet, make sure to do so. You can also press the notification bell to get updates on our latest videos quickly. If you want to professionally remove freckles and pimples, be sure to click on the video linked at the end of this video. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.